Welcome to Tricky Apps. Mathematical operations and symbol notations. I'm going to explain key points and examples from the chapter Mathematical Operations and Symbol Notations. There is a chance to get at least one question from this chapter in all competitive exams. Key point 1. Here in this table, the symbol greater than represents only one possibility, that is, only greater than. Here, the symbol represents greater than or equal to. It represents two possibilities, that is, greater than or equal to. And the symbol equal to represents only one possibility, that is, only equal to. Two signs opposite to each other will make the conclusion wrong, but again, if the signs are in the same manner, that will not make it wrong. There are 4 types of questions based on mathematical operations. Type 1. In this type of questions, you have substitutes for various mathematical symbols or numerals followed by a question involving calculation of an expression or choosing correct or incorrect equations. Let us see an example to understand this better. Example 1. If plus means divided by, minus means into means plus, divided by means minus, give the value for 45 plus 9 minus 3 into 15 divided by 2. Let us see the solution. The given expression is 45 plus 9 minus 3 into 15 divided by 2. After replacing the proper signs in the given expression, we get 45 divided by 9 into 3 plus 15 minus 2. We have to solve this using the V-Bodmas rule, that is 5 into 3 plus 15 minus 2, that is 15 plus 15 minus 2. Solving this we get 30 minus 2 and that is 28. Example 3. If minus stands for plus, plus stands for into stands for minus, then which of the following is not correct? A. 22 plus 7 minus 3 into 9 is equal to 148. B. 33 into 5 minus 10 plus 20 is 228. C. 7 plus 28 minus 3 into 52 is 127. And D. 44 minus 9 plus 6 into 11 is 87. Let us see the solution. From option A, the given expression is 22 plus 7 minus 3 into 9 is equal to 148. After replacing the proper signs in given expression, we get 22 into 7 plus 3 minus 9, that is 154 plus 3 minus 9, and that is 157 minus 9, which is 148. From option B, the given expression is 33 into 5 minus 10 plus 20 is equal to root 28. After replacing the proper signs in given expression, we get 33 into 5 minus 10 plus 20. 33 minus 5 plus 10 into 20. That is 33 minus 5 plus 200. And that is 233 minus 5. That is 228. From option C, given expression is 7 plus 28 minus 3 into 52 is equal to 127. After replacing the proper signs in the given expression, we get 7 into 28 plus 3 minus 52, that is 196 plus 3 minus 52, and that is 199 minus 52, which is 147, and this is not equal to the given expression in the question, which is 127. From option D, the given expression is 44 minus 9 plus 6 into 11 is equal to 87. After replacing the proper signs in the given expression, we get 44 plus 9 into 6 minus 11, that is 44 plus 54 minus 11, that is 98 minus 11, and solving this we get 87, which is true. So here, the statement in option C is not correct. Now, let us see the second type of questions. In this type of questions, certain signs or numbers interchange between each other. The candidate is required to change the given signs or change the given numbers with each other and select which of the equation is correct from the given alternatives. Now let us see some examples. If signs plus and minus and numbers 3 and 6 interchange between each other, then which of the following 4 equations would be correct? A. 3 minus 6 plus 9 is equal to 0. B. 6 minus 3 divided by 9 is 8. C. 3 divided by 6 minus 9 is 16. And D. 6 divided by 3 minus 9 is 24. Let us see the solution. On interchanging the signs plus and minus and the numbers 3 and 6 in option A, we get 3 minus 6 plus 9 is equal to 0. That is 6 plus 3 minus 9, which is 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. So this is true. So option A is the right answer. Thanks for watching. For full videos, download our app from the Play Store.